What's up everybody, welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. If you've been following our mini-series, you recognize this, Pegasus. This is a 1965 Mustang GT 350. And we've gone through the whole flow chart of washing it, claying it, polishing it, and now we want to protect it. But before we do that, we're going to clean up any surface debris, any grime, any oils, or anything that was left over on the surface by using Wipeout. And you simply spray this on the surface, and this gently removes any old layers of glaze, sealant, wax, body oils, or anything you can have missed through your polishing steps or any kind of residue, so that now when you apply a coating or anything else that you're planning on putting on the surface, it's simply going to bond directly to the paint without being obstructed or clotted up by old waxes or old layers. This way you have a long-lasting shine as well as a durable layer of protection. And you see how easy it is to use Wipeout. You simply spray it on the surface and wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. And what this is doing is it's going to make it easier for your glaze, sealant, wax, or any kind of protective coating to adhere to the surface, because we all know that a coating bonds better to a clean paint surface. And also this is going to remove any body oil so that you're not leaving anything behind that could fill in a minor scratch or swirl. This way you can thoroughly inspect your work. So now I'm going to finish wiping off the rest of the vehicle with Wipeout, and then we're going to apply a nice wax to enhance the shine, but more importantly, protect the finish. Now that the surface is nice and prepped, we want to go ahead and put a nice wax on there. And what this is going to do is enhance the shine, deepen that glow, because you see it has a very nice slick finish. And we're going to use black wax because this is designed specifically for dark and black colored vehicles. All you have to do is simply open up the pot and then apply some to your applicator. This is a paste wax that has more of a cream substance, more of a creamy texture to it. And just like with any wax, you're going to blotch it out on the surface and spread a fine coat over the entire vehicle. Now it's safe to get this on the gold finish here. This will help enhance the metallic flake that's in that paint, as well as add some protection and shine. We're going to help work it all the way around the black parts of the vehicle so that we don't get any water spots or any kind of else that could damage the finish. This only takes about 15 minutes to cure. It's a little colder today in the detail garage, so it may take a little longer. But after that time, we'll come back with a clean microfiber towel and buff off the excess. So you see here, Pegasus is a full custom-built race car that was in the Gold Rush Rally. This is a car that Craft Prep brought us because they wanted us to remove the decals, remove some of the scratches and swirls, as well as enhance the shine, and I think we've achieved just that. So if you guys want to learn more about these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like Pegasus, give her a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.